How do you know? How do you know that you are on the right path? That you are doing the right thing? When I was a little more younger, I genuinely thought of myself as being really strong, that I can bear anyhow. I still do think that in some sort of way, but life's life too humbles you sometimes, And in order to become that person you wanna be, sometimes it's like you have to do certain things that you don't wanna do. And most of the growth comes from the pain. Imagine everything that has happened to you already, like every beautiful thing that you are proud of. It only comes after the pain, overcoming the challenges and the pain. So, how do you win at a game that you've lost before playing? Are we going to win in this game? Like, you're born and you die. What is the prize? What is the destination? What is the final line? Is it not each day, each second? What are we trying to get out of this? It could be amazing if every day could have been like a beautiful day, or if at least you could make it like that. What would it cost to choose to be happy? What would it cost to choose to be who you want to be? Does it cost money? How much money? Can you make it? How could you make it? Does it take money to make you sad? Does it take money to give you the motivation to wake up early in the morning? Or does it require money to say I love you to the people that you do love? Does it require money to do certain things? I mean, the most happiest thing, does it require any money at all? Does it require money to be the person that you want to be? What does it require? It requires intention. It requires the desire and the action to start acting like that person, and the courage to be that person. Who is that person? Who are you afraid of being? What are you afraid of? If you do really want to be that person, then why can't you be it now? What are you waiting for? Money? Next year? Maybe when you have that relationship? I hope it is all gonna work out for you, because you deserve to be better. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to be loved and to love. You deserve to be rich and wealthy. And you deserve to do the work. You deserve to go through the pain. You deserve to become stronger. You deserve to be that person. And that person will bring you all the things that you want in your life. How long does it gonna take? I don't probably know, but I think this is not the destination. It is not about where you will land, but it is about how you fly. Is all this gonna be amazing at the end? In the death bed, when you look at the past, everything you've been through, all the challenges, all the doubts, all the fears, what do they mean? What if they didn't mean anything at all? What if they had no meaning? What if you just created every meaning to every emotion you have? It is beautiful, but it is deadly. You see, that part of us that always keeping playing safe, it is important. It is important in the sense that you will not stay and let the lion kill you, but the lion is not running after you anymore. How do you start living? You deserve to live. What is the paradise that we are hoping for? Is it not this? Is it not this world? Is it not this life? Is it there any possible life that will be better than what we have now? How could it be better? What will it be like? What will we be doing? All the time we tell, but in the meanwhile, we have this. How do we take advantage of it? There are thousands of questions, and there is always a why. And by trying to understand the why to everything, we always fall into the rabbit hole. There is no some answers to everything, but there is life to everything. Start living. Let's live. Try. You can do it. It is hard, of course it is, but you can do this. It's taking time, but it is happiness. It is pressure, it is pain, it is everything. It is who you are building. You see, for every great man to be built, the foundation needs to be solid and strong. Otherwise, when you rise to fame and wealth, any storm can swap you away because you haven't built that foundation yet. You see, all these great men in the world, they have thousands of history of generation behind them that has constructed the path in which they are building upon, and you are trying to build everything from scratch. Think about what you are trying to do. This is a big thing, but you are a dreamer. There is no limit to dreams. That means you have to become a big person. You have to be speedy. You have to think big and act big. Be bold, courageous, but lovely, flexible, charming, funny. Just be you. In all your stints, you have everything on you, and you have everything in you. All this can be transformed. It is all energy. Energy can't be destroyed or created. It can only be transformed. You see, you can transform anything you want. And you are already transforming things into positive or into negative. But you see, like electricity, it requires positivity and negativity to produce the energy that brings the power of electricity. You can transform everything around you into your favor, but the ground must be solid, the foundation must be built, and everything must be built on top on that. This is not favor. There are locks in the way, but you must be prepared to unlock each lock driven in your way. This is my message to you, and I hope it helps. I hope you keep believing in the dreams, in the possibility, and that you do the work. The work it requires to be that person that is connected to the universe, that is connected to the abundance of the universe, that person that brings you all the wealth that you desire, all the happiness you want to experience, all the life you want to live. Becoming that person, unlock your full potential. You have been transformed. You have been transcended. It is history. It is your story. It is your time. It is your moment. Each second passing counts. Every day is important. Live it to the fullest. Try to love yourself, nobody else will. Do the best you can, nobody else coming for you. You're gonna be your savior. And when you save the world, it starts first by saving yourself. And then you can save everybody around you. Peace and love.